They say Nigeria army don't leave one of their checkpoint. One of the place where they camp, where they call checkpoint. They say they don't leave for that place, so Kawao. I said this our brother go there. Say he hear say that Biafra Liberation Army is going there to ask them, oh boy, what una they do for this side? As they reach there, now they say all of them don't bagger. No be decent, no be small thing, now be say they don't run. Now they call am jackpot, they don jackpot comot for that particular checkpoint as we dey talk right now. This one dey happen for Enugu state for the place wey they dey call Nsukka. My people, no be small thing, things dey really happen. As we dey talk that one for most of una wey dey ask us, Fulani people are not from Nigeria. Na where they come from? This Fulani man don finally come outside come talk say they are not from Nigeria and they explain the place where they from. You go hear am for this video wey I go play you right now. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today na the first day wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you update back to back as they hot. No be small thing, this update too sweet me, sha. Let's go and look into the matter wey we get for our hand. They say that the Nigeria army don gbaga, they don jackpot, leave one of their checkpoints wey be say people wey dey waka for there don dey cry for very long time. Say hi, these people they don really finish us for this place where they dey. If you no give them good money account, you understand na? E say for that area you no go fit pass. But as we dey talk now, e be like say they can't get information. Say they wan come carry them on away for inside that place. So now all of them come run, leave everything to run jackpot. No be small thing, my people. I go play you the video, may you watch it before we go come back, come continue, because we'll get a lot of matter for our hand today. Make sure say you share this video as they watch am, just they share and they go, because remember say I don't dey talk am. If you are the fan of Balabas Gist, make sure say they share our video, because if you dey share our video, the more we grow, the more you also grow. Because if you know they share our video, people no go see am and know wetin dey go on for the matter. Let's share this video as we dey watch them together. Let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
Yes, eba ka no Nigerian military terrorists. And I have Chago Kita. Another Zeba. Nwete m information na ha nọrọ ebe a nsị ka nke obi ka m bịa. Abịa m ofu ngacha n'ime the praise ọbụna hapụgo up ọ na-eme ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume, ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume, ihe na-adịghị ekwe omume. Everywhere this okay. Everybody can pass. The military vehicle are moving. Oneme yena dige pomume up BLA. Up BLA. Akorunu na after ihe o. Ebe ahụ Nsukka Central military checkpoint. They may go evacuate yesterday night. Abiazun we made the confirmation. Thank you.
Yes, my wonderful people. As you don't watch am for this video wey I show you see that young man wey go video the camp as they run back japa. Na the man come there, he come say make he show the world, say they dey play, say he dey show for the side. No be small thing though. Now come dey ask wetin come happen. Na who come give them this information? Say these people dey come now they come say nobody dem know how they take get the information, but finally they don japa. Yeah, my people, now so we see am and now we say mo bring am come show una. Beg may you share the video and leave your own opinion for inside comment section. As that one dey happen, they say that some people they ask, they want know if Fulani are not from Nigeria, where they come from. Finally this our brother don't come clear the air. Him be Fulani, he don't talk where they from. And the Funanis where they from Nigeria, they drag bush, they drag Yoruba land, they drag Biafra land. They want take over Nigeria. Say may they be very careful. He said they no be Nigerian, they no get anything to do with Nigeria. They supposed to they fight where they from. Where in talk for this video. May you watch very well and listen. Share the video so that you go know where Fulani people from. Let's also watch this video before we come back and proceed.
Where are Fulani people originally from? This is the most common question I get asked on my channel. Fulani people or Felata or Felatiyin originate from Mount Sinai or Tur Sina. I have read many sources and theories of Fulani people's origins. The best ones I can find is Abdoulaye Danfodio and De La Fosse, who are essentially saying the same thing. Abdoulaye Danfodio was Fulani from Usman Danfodio's house. He was a scholar and a saint. He said Fulani people are from Mount Sinai and migrated to the Maghrib area later. Fulani people were in Rome when Islam spread through the Umayyads and therefore have Umayyad lineage. Sheikh Otal, another Fulani scholar, confirms the Umayyad lineage. So does Tariq al-Fatah. De La Fosse is a French scholar who is probably the most quoted when it comes to Fulani origins. He said Fulani are of Judeo-Syrian origins who migrated to Cyrenaica, Libya, 200. Other scholars have derived the Fulani link to the Philistinians. Other scholars have derived Fulani link to the Good Samaritans who helped the Israelites. Greenberg and these new American sources of Fulani origins are not credible. First of all, because the people are blended due to colonization in later times. Second of all, the Americans have political agendas behind their anthropology. They seek to intentionally assign people to certain regions. Summary, the best sources I have is 1800s Maurice de la Fosse and 1700s Abdoulaye Danfodio. And they point Fulani to be Judeo-Syrians from the Mount Sinai, Canaan region. Sheikh Anta Diop also confirms this when he says that Fulani migrated from Egypt in the 18th dynasty. That's the time of the Exodus. So, there you go, Mr. Canaanite from Sinai. I am not an African American. I am not a Hotep or whatever the hell that means. I am a Fulani on my father's side. We originated from Mauritania, Senegal area, then migrated to Gambia. Fulani are proven descendants of ancient Egyptian. My last name is Ba. Ba is written like this in hieroglyphs. My last name is 5,000 years old. My family lineage is 5,000 years old. Ba in ancient Egypt meant soul, the Islamic word for which is nafs. The science of the Ba is the same as the science of the nafs, which is tasgiyatul nafs, which is tasawwuf, which is Sufism. So 5,000 years later, I still teach the science of the Ba or the science of the nafs.
One thing wey you go do for us na to share this video and make sure say this video get to place where you want me get. That group where you like, share and give them. They need to get the information. This our brother don't finally clear the air where Funanis are from. So those ones where they inside bush, we want to take over our land, may they be very careful. And you will be youth where they grow, may you try to do research. They do research, they read history, because as they deny us some histories for school, we're supposed to they read them, they do research. Internet is everywhere for you to learn. Learn your history so that you go fit stand, defend your papa land. Now so it be. My people, I want you to share this video, share it, and also let us know for comment section what you think, your own opinion. If you get any vital information that you want to pass for us, or anything where they happen where you video, please do not forget to DM us. Just send the video across and tell us the details. We'll do the investigation and we'll bring it up here for people to see what they go on. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot.